Hi, it's Ms. Parrott, and welcome back to AP Bio Words That Matter series. In this series, we work together to decode words that you're going to see on the AP Biology exam that aren't necessarily the scientific vocabulary, but they're important words that you need to be able to read and understand so that you can know what the question is asking and how best to respond or which answer to choose. This is the second set of 5 in skill set 5, analyzing change over time. These words are going to tell us how systems change over time or as conditions change. The first word in this set is fluctuate. Fluctuate just means to go up and down. An example of a way you may see this on the AP Bio exam could be population size may fluctuate as the seasons change. The next word is increase, which just means to grow in amount or to go up. So you could say enzyme activity increased as temperature increased. Decrease means to shrink in amount or to go down. You could say something like photosynthetic rate decreases when light is limited. So the fourth word is gradual. This means a slow change. So for example, the change in allele frequency was gradual over time, whereas rapid is the opposite of that. That is a fast change. So you could say a rapid response happened, a fast change happened after the hormones were released, right? So these are the last 5 words in skill set 5. Be sure and stick around for the next video in the series. If this helped you, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for all the videos in this series, AP Bio Exam Skills, AP Bio Equations Explained series, and even more. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, a question, or an emoji down below. And teachers, be sure to check out my resources at Know and Grow with Gnomes on Teachers Pay Teachers. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.